So good day, Sir Atif. So today, I will introduce first the external organ of sea urchin. Call it Filipino is tehe-tehe. So the sea urchin, call it tehe-tehe in Filipino, and the scientific name naman is Echinoidea. So it's a small round sea animals covered with the sharp penis. So I will identify the external organ of sea urchin. So this is the shell penis. So we move on to the next. I will dissect of sea urchin or call it tehe to identify the internal organ of the inside. You see the inside is the Aristotle lantern, jewel-like structure used to grow food. So this is the Aristotle lantern. This is the anus. Yung banda sa anus yung pabilog is tawag dun is abural hymal ring. Ito is vein. Yung parang mahabang galamay is tawag dun is tube feet. The next is, balik na rin natin. This is the mouth. And this is the lips. Yung lips niya is dito banda. Ito. Yung pabilog parang ring. Tawag dito is tooth of Aristotle's lantern. Peristomial gel. So let's proceed. This is the journals, yung taba niya yung taba na parang yellow. And this is the gut, parang intestine siya. So sa ilalim niya na parang itim na dumi is called the stone canal. And the side, this is the side, parang pattern. The cold is ampullae. And the cold is enterobulacral area. Okay, let's proceed about the mouth. So this is the mouth. This is Aristotle's lantern. And dito sa banda na matigas dito, the cold is pharynx. And ba't naman dito rin sa covering niya, dito ito, the cold is radial canal. Yung parang small intestine, you see, parang small intestine siya. Ang tawag dito is axial gland. That's all my dissect. Thank you.